equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on maintaining your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to keep your device running smoothly, ensuring it serves your family well for years to come. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and a pair of scissors. These tools will help you access and clean the internal components of your Dyson V10 effectively. Start by unplugging your vacuum cleaner. Safety is paramount. Once it's unplugged, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button. This is a crucial step as it allows you to clean the bin thoroughly. Use your soft brush to remove any debris stuck inside. If you notice any stubborn dirt, a damp microfiber cloth can help. Just ensure it's not too wet, as excess moisture can damage the electronics. Next, let's focus on the filter. The Dyson V10 has a washable filter that should be cleaned every month. To do this, remove the filter from the top of the vacuum. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents, as they can damage the filter. After rinsing, let it dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. Remember, a clean filter ensures better suction and performance. Now, let's check the brush bar. Hair and debris can accumulate here, affecting the vacuum's efficiency. Use your scissors to carefully cut away any tangled hair. Once you've removed the debris, use your soft brush to clean the bristles. This simple maintenance step can significantly improve your vacuum's performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our professional diagnosis without obligation ensures you get the best advice tailored to your needs. After cleaning the brush bar, it's time to inspect the hose for blockages. Detach the hose from the vacuum and check for any obstructions. If you find any, gently push them out with a long object, like a broom handle. This will help maintain optimal airflow and suction. Once you've completed these steps, reassemble your Dyson V10. Ensure all parts are securely attached. A quick test run will confirm everything is working as it should. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Finally, remember to store your Dyson V10 in a dry place, away from direct sunlight. This will help preserve its components and extend its lifespan. Regular maintenance not only keeps your vacuum cleaner in top shape, but also ensures a cleaner home for your family. In summary, maintaining your Dyson V10 involves regular cleaning of the dustbin, filter, brush bar, and hose. With the right tools and a bit of effort, you can keep your vacuum performing at its best. If you need help, our services are just a call away, with no calls, no travel required. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.